What's the word I want to use? What's that word? You know the word. Consistency. No, that's not going to sound right. Consistency. No, it's not going to sound right. Hey my beautiful queens, welcome back to my channel. If you're new and joining us today, welcome. My name is Lady E, and today I have a good one for you. Today we're talking about my journey with postpartum hair loss and what I did to overcome it.
Counting chains, what's it worth without his love? Without his love.
Before we get started today, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. So let's get started. When I had my baby, I was going through a lot at that time, you know, juggling motherhood, having my 5th child, working full time, taking care of the household, loving my husband and my kids. It's a lot for one person. So I went through a lot during that journey of my postpartum hair loss phase. And honestly, I didn't take it well at all. It was very heartbreaking, and my hair started to fall out really bad. I didn't know what to do. I was confused. I was angry. I was sad and hurt. I tried so many different products. I wasted a lot of money on products that said it worked, and it didn't work. So I had to find a solution. My solution, Lady Euvoia. I wanted something that I can use, not only for myself, but my children as well. Especially when you're breastfeeding, you don't want to put any harsh chemicals, all those products that be misleading in your hair and in your scalp. It gets into your pores and it can get into your breast milk as well. So I definitely had to find something that was natural, all natural for me and for my babies. There are 3 key factors that goes into postpartum hair loss. One is hormonal changes. When you're pregnant, your estrogen is very high. But as soon as you have that baby, that estrogen level goes way down very quickly. And so then that's when your hair goes into the shedding phase, which causes hair loss. The second thing that causes postpartum hair loss is nutrition deficiency. You're breastfeeding. I breastfed my baby for about 18 months. He wouldn't take no other milk, no processed milk that was on the shelf. He just did not accept it. He was like, no, I don't want that. It's nasty. So I had to breastfeed him 3-4 times a day because he's a little fat, little chubby boy, and he loved to eat. So doing all of that, doing everything I had to do in the household, taking care of the other kids, was a lot. So I wasn't eating the proper nutrition that I should have been eating. I just didn't have time to. So I'm breastfeeding and not eating. And unfortunately, it showed in my hair. That's what started my hair to come out because I wasn't getting those nutritions. The last thing that also causes postpartum hair loss is stress and fatigue. Having a baby and having a family is a lot for women. If y'all who have kids, y'all know what I'm talking about. It's a lot, even if you just got one. There's so much work involved in it. You don't get no sleep. You're up all times of night. You gotta feed, change, do everything. So it can be a lot. And stress and fatigue can definitely cause postpartum hair loss. Those are the 3 key factors that go into postpartum hair loss. Now, how I overcame all of those. First thing I had to do was stop stressing and get a little sleep. I have to thank my husband for that. He stepped in, he helped me out. So if you got any support, please lean on that support. Do not feel like you're a bad mom. You need all the support you can get. That's number 1. Secondly, what I had to do was stop listening to all those ads and false advertisements with all those other products and actually find a natural solution for me, Lady Euvoia. I had to study the science behind postpartum hair loss. I had to study the science of hair growth for us women. And not only that, I also had to take out time to craft all of these different scents and stuff that I wanted to add to my product that actually makes your hair grow. That took a lot of time. But I was able to accomplish it. And when I started using the product, my 3 key products, my hair started to see a dramatic change. I mean, my hair started growing from as little as a couple of weeks, 2 weeks. I started to see the hair grow. By the time I'll say about 6 months in, my hair had came back. It was healthy. It was full. It was vibrant. I couldn't believe it. I was just so shocked. So now I'm sharing my solution with you all for people who are struggling with the same thing that I had to go through, don't have a solution, tried everything. I'm telling you, if you try Lady Euvoia products, you will not be disappointed. These products are the best. I don't use any other products besides my own. I'm afraid to even put anything else in my hair because it may have a negative effect on my hair from everything I work hard for. So please go out and try Lady Euvoia products. You won't be disappointed. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about these 3 products. The Eden Growth Oil, that gives you your nutrients and vitamins that you lost from breastfeeding or just not eating enough proper nutrition, like getting your vitamin A, D, E, your zinc, your iron. I know my iron was really low during my pregnancy and after my pregnancy. So the Eden Growth Oil will provide your scalp with all those nutrients it needs to grow. The Moonlight Butter, oh my God, it provides so much moisture in your hair and it locks it in. And not only does it lock in the moisture, but it also retains the length in your hair as well. So you don't have to worry about the shrivel up and falls naturally and brings out your curl pattern as well. The Floral Crown Oil is a boost of the Eden Oil. It's like the Eden Oil on steroids. Like it's filled with nothing but antioxidants, vitamins, herbs, all type of stuff that make your hair grow. Not only that, it eliminates dry scalp, itchiness, flakiness. You could use it. All of these products actually you could use on your body for any of those dry skin conditions you may have. They're perfect. The perfect 3 products you need for your everyday living, whether it's to take care of your hair or whether it's to take care of your body. Try it. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. Some things that you could do that I did during my journey of postpartum hair loss. 1, make sure you eating properly. Make sure you get enough nutrition in your everyday diet. Exercise, get enough rest. The second thing you can do is do not stress. Please try not to stress. I know it could be a lot. Baby's crying and trying to do other stuff around the house. I get it. But try to take some time to meditate, relax, read a book, do whatever you gotta do, even if it's just for 20 minutes. Take some time out for yourself. It's one thing I didn't do that I wish I would have done more of. Focus on myself a little bit more. Lastly, just be patient. Give it time. It's a process. It's a journey. It's a natural phase of life that you have to go through in order for your hair to grow back. It only lasts for about maybe 6 to 12 months, sometimes faster if you're using the right products. But once that journey is over, I promise you, you want to feel like yourself again and you want to be confident. But I'm here to tell you, you're not alone. It's a lot of women out there that go through the same thing that you went through. I went through it and I came out of it. Keep using the product on a daily basis. Your hair will grow faster and better than before. Thank you for joining me today. Stay blessed, my beautiful queens, and I'll see you in the next video.